everybody, hope all is well. Today I will be unboxing something Evil Twin. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic Evil Twin items, I DIY, I compare bags and review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe and just hit that bell. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started. It's a Louis Vuitton type of day. Here it is. I already unboxed it, but I haven't opened her yet. It included this really cute shopping bag. And here it is. The box is in good condition. A little rip here, but nothing to freak out about. Back out. Inside it includes I believe this is the receipts. Right? And more paperwork. This is like, I don't know what this is. Bunch of Louis Vuitton paperwork, ribbon, and tissue. Isn't that adorable? Let's get to the goodies. It's all about this bag. I purchased the Coussin bag. Is that how you say it? Sounds like Coussin to me. Here is the dust bag. I typically just take off all the stickers because I do not need them. And here she is. Oh, she's still wrapped up, which I appreciate. There it is. Books. Oh my goodness, it's so soft. It is the Coussin bag. I thought it was going to be bigger, but it actually isn't. There is no stamping here. There's LV there. And LV here. Let's just remove the little stickers. Little sticker tape up here. That was a mission. The sticky tape. This LV on the zip tab. And just look at the monogram. I love how it's like, it's deep, but it's not too deep. And it's an accordion style. It's very soft. It is a cream color. It's not super white. And let's open her up. Inside is like a military green. And, oh my god, she's such a pretty bag. There is the insignia. More blue tape. Blue tape kind of leaves a little residue, which we'll have to get alcohol or something to remove it. And zipper is smooth. Wow, it's a pretty bag. Here is the zipper inside. I mean the pocket in the middle. Really pretty. So there's 3 compartments, the one with the middle for the zip, and there's the other strap. I got the chain and more paperwork, and the code is here. AP something. The strap looks like this. There's the vachetta. Wow, it's a pretty strap. It's really pretty strap. Made really well. And the lobster clasp have the insignia on them. Each one. Here is the other strap, which is basically a chain. And this also has blue tape. And here is the, wow, it's a heavy chain. It's a real heavy chain. It has the stars and LV on it. And plastic tape for protection. It's not hard to come off, but the ones on the zippers have like a pretty sticky moment going on. And that's how it looks. Just put it together. Clasp goes on the whole part. And I will feature this when I try on outfits on my styling YouTube channel. Please go to that channel and subscribe if you like styling and clothes and whatnot. So there it is, and then here is the fat chain, which I guess just kind of clasps here. Oh my god, this is a cute bag. And there you have it. I did not adjust it, so just an idea, not adjusted. She goes right under the boob. This is a really cute bag. I'm loving it. Not sure if actually this goes here. Oh yeah, makes more sense, right? Because then you will see, you expose the chain better. Oh my god. Wow, everybody, I actually am digging this bag. And I purchased the shoes to match. I'm hoping they look cute together, but I also bought these. Pretty much the same color. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Bye.